All right, we're also keeping an eye on Wall Street, where the closing bell rang just moments ago, and stocks rose today, with the Dow up a little bit more than 1%. Markets hinging on hopes the president might ease up on his tariff agenda. So let's take a look at our interactive stock market heat map, brought to you by FinViz, showing the top 500 stocks in real time. Now, the red indicates the stock is down. Green is good. That means it's up. And the size of the box represents the market cap. But as investors cling to hopes of softening tariffs, the president today announced a new measure. He vowed to impose a 25% tariff on any country that purchases oil or gas from Venezuela. And he said more tariffs on everything from cars to AI chips will come shortly. Take a listen.
I call it Liberation Day. April 2nd is Liberation Day. But today, as you know, we did something with respect to Venezuela. You heard about that. And that will be quite important. We'll be announcing some additional tariffs over the next few days, having to do with automobiles, cars, and having also to do a little bit with lumber down the road, lumber and chips. We're going to get all those chip companies coming back. They're already coming back without even doing it. So it's been very good. But we'll be announcing some others. But for the most part, April 2nd will be a big day. That'll be Reciprocal Day.
CBS News contributor Javier David joins us live. Javier, great to see you. A good day on Wall Street. Is this a reaction to the latest tariff changes, do you think?
Yeah, look, this is, a sort of measure of how volatile the market has become. We've got an up day, but in reality, nothing is really sort of resolved. We have the president that is on an almost daily basis deciding that he will put tariffs in place, and then he'll pause them, and then he'll implement them for various purposes. The market has very little clarity. And so what it does in instances like this is it clings to whatever sort of headline that suggests that maybe there's going to be some resolution. Perhaps there will be, but in the intermediate or the near term, we really don't see a lot of resolution for this at all. And now the implementation of new tariffs on people that are trading with Venezuela is an added complexifier.
Yeah, I want to dig a little deeper into Trump's threat to impose a 25% tariff on countries that buy oil or gas from Venezuela. Walk us through the strategy here, and who do these tariffs really target?
Yeah, look, this is the continuation of a political war of words. It's been raging between Venezuela and the United States for years now. It's the Maduro government is deeply entrenched in power. It continues to cling to power in part because people continue to buy Venezuelan oil. And the major sort of culprits here are China, followed by the U.S. itself, India, and Spain. And I think it's Chevron that has to have some sort of exemption carved out for them. But basically, this is an emblem of the president and how he views tariffs. They're a negotiating tool, or they're a blunt instrument. And they can yield results of sorts. But these decisions by fiat really create a lot of pandemonium, chaos, and uncertainty in the short term, both for consumers and for businesses.
Javier David, thank you so much for being with us. Always great to see you.